Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable judges, respected lecturers, and all participants. Thank you for the opportunity to present my research entitled Retrieval Strategies in Students' Analogical Thinking Processes in Geometry Problem Solving. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yunita Stianingsi, and in this session, I will present the key point of my study, including the background, method, findings, discussion, and conclusion. In geometry problem solving, analogical thinking plays an essential role because students must connect prior knowledge to new situation. The earliest and most crucial stage of analogical thinking is retrieval, where students recall relevant concepts, experiences, or strategies from memory. However, most previous studies focus on later stages of analogical reasoning, such as mapping and transfer, while very few examine how retrieval actually occurs. In geometry, retrieval is especially important because students must remember steps, properties, formulas, and past spatial experiences. Therefore, this study aims to identify the retrieval strategies used by elementary students, examine how these strategies support their analogical thinking processes. The study used a qualitative approach to examine how elementary students retrieve prior knowledge when using analogical thinking in geometry problem solving. The subject were 24 grade students of SD Negeri 2 Kemasan, from which 3 main participants were selected 12 proportive sampling based on learning participation, prior geometry knowledge, and willingness to join the study. Data were collected 12 tests, semi-structured interviews, and documentation. Data validity was ensured using source triangulation and technique triangulation. Data analysis followed the Miles and Huberman model, consisting of data reduction, data display, and data conclusion drawing, conducted continuously throughout the research processes. Next, I will present the findings of this study, which describe the retrieval strategy students use when solving geometry problems. The study identified 3 main retrieval strategies which students use when solving geometry problems. 1. Spontaneous recall. Students immediately recall formulas or definitions without using any visual support. This was more common among students with strong memory and repeated practice. 2. Drawing strategy. Students drew the geometric shapes to help trigger their memory. This strategy supports visualization and help them connect prior concept. 3. Experience-based retrieval. Students access real-life experiences such as measuring objects or observing shapes in their environment. These concrete experiences strengthens long-term memory. Overall, the strategies vary depending on each student's learning style, experiences, and memory strength. After presenting the result, I will now explain the discussion which interpret the retrieval strategies and their implications for students' thinking processes. These findings show that retrieval is the foundation of analogical thinking. Without effective retrieval, students cannot process to mapping or transferring knowledge. The drawing strategy provide very effective in activating memory and helping students understand geometric relations. This is in line with Mutia, Kartono, Dwijanto, and Wijayanti 2023, who found that students with high mathematical creativity were able to go through most of the stages of analogical thinking more smoothly. Thus, repeat practice and mastery of concept and strengthen retrieval success. Students' thinking styles in solving geometry problems influence the successful use of analogies. A. Mulyani et al. 2024. Students who rely only on spontaneous recall often made errors when their understanding was incomplete. Meanwhile, experience-based retrieval demonstrates the importance of contextual learning in helping students remember and apply concepts. Therefore, teachers should encourage varied retrieval strategies such as visualization, real-life connection, and practice to help students access and use their prior knowledge more effectively. The support is important because it can function as a retrieval trigger, especially when abstract concepts are difficult to remember. Risma, Yunita, and Amir 2020, 2023. To end this presentation, here are the main conclusions drawn from the research. In conclusion, elementary students use three main retrieval strategies: spontaneous recall, drawing, and experience-based retrieval. These strategies show that retrieval is not merely remember, but a cognitive process essentially for analogical reasoning in geometry. Strengthening retrieval thought, visual representation, meaningful context, and consistent practice can improve students' analogical thinking skill. The result of this study contribute to better instructional approaches in teaching geometry at elementary level. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.